Welcome yet another day. We'll continue with our videos of mixture and alligation where we left yesterday. I've brought some new concepts here. So let us try to look at concept number 5 of mixtures and alligations. Again, these are the sums based on ratios, and let us try to learn all these concepts. Kulbhushan started a juice, syrup plus water counter. Initially, he had 140 liters of juice, which had 40% of water in it. He sold 30 liters of the juice. Then he added equal amounts of syrup and water. Now the ratio of syrup and water, now the ratio of water to syrup became 3:4. What quantity of water was added? So let us say there is water and there is syrup. So he started with 140 liters. It had 40% water, which means 60% was syrup. So ratio was 2:3. Now he sold 30 liters of juice. So he sold 30 liters, which means now there is left is 110 liters. In that the ratio is still 2:3. Then he added equal amounts of syrup and water. So he added X, and here also he added X. Now water to syrup became 3:4. What was the quantity? What quantity of water was added? So we have to find the value of X. So here if you see 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is corresponding to 100 liters in terms of quantity. So 1 will be corresponding to 22 liters. So this should be 44 liters and this should be 66 liters, right? Now I added 44 में X, so 44 plus X हो गया and 66 plus X. This ratio is equals to 3/4. So I would have 44 into 4 plus 4x is 3 into 66 plus 3x. So I will take this 3x here, so 4x minus 3x is x. 66 into 3 minus 44 into 4. So I will take 11 common. So 4 into 4, 16. And so 11 common. So 6 into 3 is 18. Minus 4 into 4 is 16. So X is 11 into 2. That is 22 liters of water must have been added. Clear? So basically, when I reached this stage after selling 30 liters, I got 110 liters left. So I divided them in the ratio of 2:3. It came 44 and 66. I added both same quantity. The ratio I equated, made a simple equation and found the value of X, which was the amount of water that was added. That was 22 liters. Okay. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 3:5. If 20% of mixture is taken out in a container A, then that container A contains 9 liters of alcohol. Then find the ratio of alcohol to water if 20 liters of alcohol and 16 liters of water is added to the initial mixture. So it's interesting. Let's see. So there is alcohol and water in the ratio 3:5. Now we are taking 20% mixture out, right? And we are putting that in a container. In which the alcohol and water will be still in the ratio 3:5 only, because I am taking the entire mixture out. Now they are saying in this there is 9 liters of alcohol, correct? Which means the value of 3 is given as 9, so value of 1 would be 3. So this is 3 plus 5, 8. 8 into 3, this is 24 liters. So this 24 liters was after I removed 20% off from the initial mixture, which means initial mixture into 20%, that is 1 by 5, is corresponding to 24 liters, which means X would be 120 liters. Which means initially I had 120 liters of solution with mixture with me. So 120 liters, if I divide between, so 8 corresponds to 120 because this is 8. So 1 will correspond to 15. So this was 45 earlier with me and this was 5 into 15, 75 earlier with me. Now what I am doing, to this 45, I am adding 20 liters of alcohol and to this 75, I am adding 16 liters of water. Which means this is 565 is to 91. So the new ratio becomes 65 is to 91. If I divide by 13, 5 is to 7 should be the answer. Clear? So I had some alcohol and water in the ratio 3 is to 5. I took something out. When I took out in the another container, I found that alcohol was 9 liters, which means the value of 3 was given as 9 liters. So value of 8 is 24 liters. So this is 24 liters that I took out. So this 24 liters represent 20%. So 100% must have represented 120 liters. 120 liters I divided into ratio 3 is to 5. It came to 45 and 75 liters respectively. Then I added 20 liters of alcohol and 16 liters of water. The ratio became 65 is to 91, which is 5 is to 7. Okay. A mixture contains X liters of liquid A and B in the ratio 5 is to 2. 25% of the mixture is taken out and 6 liters of liquid B is added to the remaining mixture. If the quantity of liquid B in the final mixture is 15 liters, find X. So there is A and B, liquid A and liquid B. They are in the ratio 5 is to 2. 25% of the mixture is taken out, so I am taking now 25% out. And now initially I had X liters. So I have taken 25% out, which means I have taken X by 4 out. Which means still the ratio of liquid A and B will remain 5 is to 2 here. And now I am adding 9 liters of liquid B to this. Not 9, 6 liters, sorry. I am adding 6 liters. If the quantity of liquid in the final mixture is 15 liters, so now here it is 15 liters. B is 15 liters. 15 liters happened when I added 6 liters, which means initially this 2 must have been corresponding to 9 liters. Right? Because 9 plus 6 then became 15. Which means if this was 9 liters, so if X by 4 is the total, then can I say I will divide this X by 4 in the ratio 5 is to 2. So 5 is to 2, if I have to divide, this means this part will become 5 upon total 7 into X by 4. And this part will become 2 upon 7 into X by 4. Yes or not? In quantity, because actually X by 4 is there. Now I have been given this part, which is 2 by 7 into X by 4 is actually 9 liters. So which means I got 2X upon 28 is equals to 9 liters. Right? Which means X will become 9 into 28 upon 2. So 14 into 9, that is 9 fours are 36, 6, 3, 9 ones are 9, 126. The value of X should be 126 liters. Okay. So I1 given 5 is to 2, there was X liters, 25% is taken out, which means X by 4 is left. The ratio still remains in 5 is to 2. Then I add 6 liters of liquid B. Then final liquid B became 15 liters. So if it is 15 liters, I added 6 liters, which means this quantity should be 9 liters. And what is this quantity? I will divide 5 is to 2, X by 4 in the ratio 5 is to 2. So this is 2 upon 7 into X by 4. So 2X by 28 is 9 liters. So X is 126 liters. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you have any doubts, please contact me on my WhatsApp channel, and please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll keep on coming with more and more such videos. So all the best and have a nice day.